Hello, in this Visual Basic Programming video, I am going to show you the checkbox. If you haven't watched the radio button video, I highly recommend checking that out because it sort of contrasts pretty well with radio buttons. So, brief overview, radio button, if you have multiple on the window, which you most likely would, otherwise it sort of defeats the purpose, you can only select one at a time. You select one, the previous one is deselected. With a checkbox, you can select multiple. So let me show you how it works. So you just go to Toolbox, go to Checkbox right here. And let's add some more checkboxes. I'll add a total of 3. That will get the job done. And now if I were to run it, none of them are selected. Let's say if I select one. What happens if I select the middle one? It selects, but the previous one is still selected. For deselecting and selecting, it's irrespective of what the other one, the state of the other ones. So that is really useful. If you need to provide an option where the user could select multiple, options, checkbox is the way to go over a radio button. And I'm actually going to leave it at that. So like I said, I want to check out the previous video on radio button and the rest of the GUI tutorials. Use the techniques that I've shown you in there to add a button, to add a label, and when you click the button, the selected checkbox, it gets the text from it and adds it to the label. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.